I literally just remembered that a while ago I ordered a body work kit kind of thing off of Temu because I wondered how it works and if it was working because it was so cheap. It was just laying there on the workbench. And this comes with lots and lots of things. I don't even remember how much I paid for this. It was so cheap, I just kind of bought it. So this is perfect. This is actually exactly what we need. Let's not waste any more time and give this thing a try. This might be the cheapest solution possible at this point. Temu parts. I mean, everybody has them. Sometimes I just buy random shit to see if it works. So let's see if this works. Back to the dents it is. Let's try some of these dents, see if it works. Let's get this cheap ass kit together and try it on the car. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm just going off the instructions and the things I saw sometimes on the internet, but this is what I have so far. So I just put some glue on this little foot straight into a dent with this special hot glue that goes with it. And then I have this thing which goes like this somehow, but then on the dent, and then we pull it and it should pop somehow. From what I've heard and been explained, sometimes it pops the bodywork out a little bit too far, and then you just tap it in with like a body hammer kind of thing. The thing we used before. Let's just send it. Alright. You can definitely see the bodywork. Why yeah. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Fuck. My glue. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Honestly, this was the dent. This was a dent like this. Just exactly the same. Look at it. Look at it. I mean, it's still there, you can still see it. I bet if we tap it with the hammer a little bit, it kind of dents out, but that's just amazing. I mean, come on guys, I think this kit cost me like 15 euros. I pull the first dent and it works immediately. Like, what? So the results so far is crazy. I'm not gonna lie guys, do you see this? There are still some dents I haven't done, but like most of the dents, even the big one, is out. You can definitely see some high spots going that way right now, so that's probably what they mean. We have to tap in with a hammer like carefully, but I mean the difference, I've been doing this for like less than 10 minutes. And 10 minutes. This took me 10 minutes to do. So probably like, we're gonna see how much in the end we spent doing this, but definitely this is way better. Spending 30 minutes doing one door without any scratches. Comes off so easy. And it's a kit from Temu. I mean, how much more budget friendly can it get? I'm surprised this time. I didn't think this would work so well. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of happy, guys. I'm happy with this. What's up? I don't know what you guys think, but in my opinion, yeah, there is still some of it visible, you know, it's not completely gone. But I mean, come on. Looks pretty good, don't it? I'll take it as a win. Let's go. 100% taking this as a win. This is so cheap. It worked on both doors. We got both doors outdented. Well, kinda, you know, I'm not an expert, but this works. This will work. This will definitely work. I love how these came out. Didn't spend money on it. Next on, the hood. Going back to the hood part, my dad actually came with an idea the other day. We were standing here looking at the hood and I was like explaining the problem I'm having with the hood. He's not a car guy at all, as in he never works on any car anytime. Then he came with the idea, what about the hinges themselves? Maybe there is a problem with the hinges. I actually removed the hinges. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Sometimes you just need someone to look at it from another point of view, you know, like a neutral thing. Right now it has no hinges in it and it closes completely. Fitment of the hood is like, it's close to being perfect. It's not perfect, but it's way better. The hood actually is sitting perfectly fine without hinges. So that's for the straps. I actually checked with ChatGPT and he said it's a known problem for the Z3s. Went on Facebook, checked some other cars, and while scrolling on a Facebook group, I saw 3 other cars within 5 minutes that had the same problem. So the quick and easy solution could actually be just align the hinges and it should shut perfectly. Yeah. So I got to align these perfectly with the top parts. That's gonna be an all other mission.